Okay, so Matic, I had an interesting comment about a request to do an update on Polygon, and bro, I would say zero. Okay, I'm not even joking. So last thing I think I spoke about on Polygon was this 3 month imbalance just playing out, and if I go down to the monthly, we had this area here that set right above the 3 month that was fresh, right, untouched imbalance here. We just missed it on this chart. All right, so there could be another broker that actually shows a wick going into that. I would not be surprised. But on this particular one, which is, what is this? Bitstamp. It just shows us missing that by, I don't know, like a cent or two. And we got follow through. All right, but the follow through is extremely bearish. So the external range liquidity was the previous swing low, which was here. And take a look at this. So not only did we get a close below this level with a candle body, you also have a new imbalance here, you know, not quite overlapping that low, but you know, new displacement to the downside just shows heavy weakness. And as well as you have this space here that could potentially be another sell side imbalance, right? So April just opened, so there's, you know, sure, we could just come up and close this space in, but as of right now, the one that sits above it, it's confirmed. So this would be an area of resistance if price was to try to come back and test this this previous swing low again. All right, but there's nothing, right? I have no other structure. The only thing I would be looking at now are, you know, your whole cents, right? Because you can't say a whole dollar; it just have to be a whole number. So we looks like we went as low as 17.9, right? So like right at 18 cents. I mean, I guess your next target would be, you know, 15, 16 cents if we were to continue lower. So something nice as far as a short would be price coming back up into this area, right? Perhaps like above 30 cents, only to go back down and get below 18 cents and then hit that next whole the next whole digit, which would probably be like 17 or 16 cents. Okay, or it could happen from this area if this becomes an imbalance. But in terms of a new target or structure, I'd want to see a bounce, right? After seeing what, 1, 2, 3, 4 going on potentially 5 months straight of bearish price action, I'd want to see this thing kind of cool off a little bit. Unless everybody is just selling in the order book, then yeah, it can get pretty ugly. Back up on the 3 month, it's just bearish, bro. On the 6 month, very bearish. You know, we've pretty much just wiped out everything, all these lows now, so not too much going on. But yeah, Polygon is just being hammered. And with what I said in my Bitcoin video that had come out the same time as this video, if we do see below 76,000 in Q2, then I mean, wow, I don't even know where Polygon would be. But I mean, below 15 cents, I don't know, maybe I might just jump in and get me a bag just because it's so cheap. So we'll see what happens, but I'll put an alert at 15 cents, and I'll also keep an alert here at 30 just to see if we get a bounce to pop up in here. All right, but other than that, yeah, not looking too good.